Welcome to the Southern Maryland MarketWatch, brought to you by Real Estate Business Intelligence and MRS Company. Let's take a look at the most recent activity in the Southern Maryland housing market, which includes these areas. Nationally, job growth picked up in April as the nation added 288,000 jobs between March and April. This is the largest gain in over 2 years. The unemployment rate also dropped sharply to 6.3% from 6.7% in March. The unemployment rate has not been lower since 2008. While this decrease is promising, much of the decline was due to a decrease in the labor force rather than a substantial increase in employed people. Nationally, new home sales, pending home sales, and housing starts were below their year-ago levels, but there were some signs of improvement as pending home sales and housing starts did show gains from the prior month. The decreasing number of bank-mediated sales and rising prices and interest rates may play a role in sales in the upcoming months. The local economy lost 50 resident workers over the 12 months ending in March. The unemployment rate was unchanged, however, at 5.3%. Buyer activity in Southern Maryland was off to a slow start this April. There were 263 closed sales in April, 12.6% fewer than last year. This is the third year-over-year decrease in a row for this indicator. However, new pending contracts increased, rising 9% from last April to a total of 503 contracts. Seller activity continues to rise, and the inventory level has now increased from the prior year for 10 months in a row. Active listings increased 20% from last year, rising to 2,271 listings at the end of April. Even with this increase, inventory is only 61% of its 2008 peak. New listings continue to contribute to the increase and have risen from the prior year for 18 months in a row. There were 821 new listings in April, 21% more than last year, and the highest monthly total since March 2010. At $248,000, the median sales price in the Southern Maryland region is 0.5% higher than this time last year and the highest April level in 2 years. The median days on market is now 67 days, 7 days more than last year, but lower than the 10-year average April level of 69 days. Despite the spring weather, buyer activity in the Southern Maryland region did not rebound from the earlier winter pattern as expected. But seller activity increased and there were more new listings on the market than in the past 4 years. This new supply of homes for sale may help bolster sales in the upcoming months. That's the Southern Maryland MarketWatch for this month. Check back next month for the latest.